Hello dear students, today we are going to continue lesson 1, the characteristic of cells. So the characteristic of cell. What are two types of cell? We have two types of cells. Prokaryote, this is the first type. So we have two types of cell. Prokaryote cell or a single cell organism that do not have a nucleus. So prokaryote cell are single celled organisms that do not have a nucleus or membrane bound organs. This type of cell do not have a nucleus. Look, this is called prokaryote. No nucleus inside the cell. Prokaryote DNA is in the cytoplasm. So prokaryote DNA of the prokaryote present in cytoplasm. This DNA, the blue one. This is the DNA present in the cytoplasm. They have organelles without cell membrane called ribosome. Look, this dots is a ribosome. Ribosome, this one. Ribosome is an organ without cell membrane. So ribosome is an organ without cell membrane. This organ called ribosome without cell membrane. Some have a hair-like structure. Prokaryotes have a hair-like structure like this. This is called a hair-like structure. Hair. Prokaryotes have a hair called flagella. So the hair that present inside prokaryote cell called flagella. What's the function of the flagella? To help them move. So the function of flagella to help them move, to help the prokaryotes to move. Prokaryote organisms like bacteria and archaea are smaller than eukaryote. All prokaryotes are unicellular. Unicellular means made of one cell. We have two types, so we have two types of cells. Prokaryote cells like bacteria. This cell of bacteria. This one is this cell of bacteria. Bacteria made of one cell. So it's called unicellular. Unicellular mean one cell. In prokaryotes have flagella, hair-like structure to help them to move, and do not have a nucleus. No nucleus inside prokaryote cell. No nucleus. So the DNA of prokaryote presents in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid inside the cell. This cytoplasm is a fluid inside the cell. And prokaryotes have organelle without cell membrane. Black dots called ribosome. This nucleus, these organs called ribosomes. Second type of cells called eukaryotes. Eukaryotes like human, like a cell of human and animals. It's a multicellular. So eukaryotes are organisms made up of cells that contain DNA in nucleus, like in human. DNA present in nucleus. It have a nucleus and DNA inside the nucleus. And have a membrane bound organelles and ribosomes, and also have a ribosomes like eukaryote, like a prokaryote. Prokaryote also have a ribosome, and also eukaryotes have a ribosome. Cell of human have a ribosome inside it. itself. Animal, plants, protists, and fungi are eukaryotes. So eukaryotes, like a cell of human, have a DNA and that present inside the nucleus, and also have ribosome like a prokaryote, while prokaryote DNA present in the cytoplasm because do not have a nucleus, and also have ribosome like an eukaryote. Example of prokaryote bacteria, and it's mainly flagella hair-like structure, to help the bacteria or prokaryote to move. Eukaryote do not have a hair-like structure, do not have flagella. Example of eukaryote like animals, plants, and fungi. Most eukaryotes are multicellular. Most of them are made of many cell.